So you know what these are at this point. No?
I don't.
So, like I said, I'm in the raffle.
In the raffle.
I win these.
The raffle. You're in the raffle that I lost. Continue.
I'm in these. I win these in a raffle that I forgot that I was still in. After I won these.
Okay.
And then I'm like, well, I really wanted these. So I'm in a raffle for these too.
Okay.
I won 3 raffles in 1 week.
I've yet to win a raffle in my life. You and James, what's going on here?
James was like, yo, you're doing something good in your life. Keep going.
Something's happening here.
What's going on?
Up until this point, James was the raffle winner.
He's the raffle guy.
He's
not
the raffle
me.
winner.
I've never won one.
I've never won a raffle.
3
ever.
week. You know what? Let me reset. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Do you recognize the box? The logo on the box at all?
I couldn't see the logo.
Yeah. Let's go.
These are without looking, these are both of the Ma Maniere 5s.
Let's go. Let's do it like this. We're doing these at the same time because it's 2 colorways of the same.
Of the same sneaker. The Ma Maniere 5s.
The Ma Maniere 5s. I'm so happy about these, yo.
So, I will say that. Oh, wait a second. I already noticed something right off the bat. Let me make sure there's a difference already. Look at that. No. On these, they have the Ma Maniere written on the bubble.
Which is why I went with the white strings. yeah. I got the sale in the other ones. Those are gray. Came with the gray strings. These came with black strings in them.
All right.
And then it came with the selections.
All right.
Sale, white. Everybody been going with the sale on these two. The white is what really ring off.
So there are gray strings to go along with this.
Yep.
And I will say that the gray is a bad idea.
It's not happening, son.
There's white also, and I can't say that white looks better. It feels like there's no other option but this.
The sale, son.
How could you?
It's actually a whole thing on the internet saying that any Jordan you have in your possession, if you put sale strings in them, it rings.
I got no argument here. No argument here. First off, let's talk about the shoestrings. These have got to be the softest material shoestrings I've ever felt.
Oh,
it's
man.
like Egyptian cotton on these joints. Like, what is happening?
Hilarious.
Why are they so soft? Okay, so the whole thing is somewhat of a nubuck.
It's a nubuck.
But then the eyelets are straight leather.
Yeah.
The eyelets are leather. This whole sneaker is nubuck. There's this gray, but then it has this. Then you've got navy blue accents. The 23 is navy blue. But the tongue is padded.
A on one tongue and a Jordan joint on the other tongue.
Yep. So the tongue is padded almost a la SB Dunk style.
Right.
But then it's like this vinyl. I'll go vinyl here. But it's like a sparkly vinyl, so it shimmers a little bit.
Oh, on the tongue?
On the tongue,
oh,
yeah.
It's 3M.
3M.
It's
Okay.
3M.
So the whole thing is 3M.
The
there.
tongue's a 3M.
The tongue's 3M. Boom. And then you've got this. Well, now I have to call it sale because of the shoestring, right? With the color of the netting on the side, the plastic netting on the side. Which I'm trying to make sure that it's just netting and it doesn't say anything, or are those A's?
Those are A's.
Those are A's.
Yeah, those are A's. On the side and on the tongue.
Yep. So they swapped out what is normally the Jordan netting right there for the actual A's in a netting format. And then you've got the gum sole over here. Is this black or is this like a really rich navy blue? I think it's black.
It's black.
Okay.
Yeah, it
So
got
that's black, and then you've got another navy blue here, which is customary on Jordan 5s, and these are tough. I will say that Jordan 5s are the only Jordans I've ever owned in my life. I had one pair.
Word.
One pair, ever. And the only reason I got them is because it was Kennedy's 13th birthday, and we twinned for her birthday. And
When the Jordan 5s came out when I was a child, son, like, this was it.
this was it.
The 3s was crazy already.
But these,
But when the 5 came, the 4s was cool. But when the 5 came
These
out,
came out.
I lost. I had the black ones and the white ones. I lost my mind.
The world went crazy for these.
Natural born mind.
natural born mind. These are incredible.
They're beautiful, son.
These are
But-
incredible. And the
so
3M is just going crazy right now.
The 3M is just nuts. So
I haven't even gotten over to the black
Let
ones
me
yet.
give you the background.
Oh, wait.
on the black
Oh. Side note, on the inside of this tongue, it has Ma Maniere written on it. And then it has Michael Jordan's signature on the inside of that tongue that has the Jordan sign on it. That's tough.
So let me give you background.
Let's go.
Right? That drove this whole thing.
Okay.
Long ago, there was a release called.
I swear I would kill. I got some cream travel pants. I would fucking
You don't even want to know what I'm about.
order these shits.
Long ago, there was a release. The only sneaker I've ever actually stood in line for. One time ever. I went up to Major for this release.
I remember that.
I was actually driving to Rochester the same day, which is a 6.5 to 7 hour trip. And I said, I'm going to Major this morning to try to get these joints. I stood in line. First dude in line was a size 9. And they only had one size. One of each. It's a wrap. Those right there. Premium. The
Yep.
premium Ben 23.
Ben 23s.
Jordan 5.
Yep.
Broke my heart.
Yes.
And when I saw these, and I saw someone with the sail strings in them, and I was like,
It's a little get back.
put the white joints in there. I said, this is get back, yo.
Get back.
I gotta get these.
And get back on the
I gotta
universe.
get these. These is cool. I was like, these are cool. I gotta get those. I said, but I'm gonna get these. And if these don't work, I'm gonna just flip them and get those.
Yeah.
But when I got these in, I was like, this shit is fire. So these are get kept. And if I, maybe I'll get these and I won't. Then I hit that raffle too. And I said, well, we're keeping all of these. This is gonna happen. And that's how that went.
So let's talk about these.
Yes.
Let's
Talk about
these.
Talk about this shit. Yeah.
What we need to talk about. What are the other color shoestring options?
Black.
Just black.
Black.
And this is white.
White. Yeah.
Right? 'Cause these are-
they came with
sail.
They came with sail and white and black for these. For these. Black and sail. Everybody's doing the sail. I wanted to do the white because of the white on the
Absolutely.
Ma Maniere.
And if you've watched this show more than enough, we always say it's always the subtle thing that we're doing to say there's got to be a reason for that.
Yeah, you might not know. I don't care if you know or not.
I know.
I know.
I'm walking different, and you know there's something.
There could be a logo on the bottom of my sock, and I'm matching something with it. What's up, yo?
I didn't realize
Yeah, and
the A and Jordan sign are underneath,
on the tongue,
but they're
two
on the
on
opposite.
sole. Oh, nice,
So
nice.
the Jordan sign is on here, but the A is underneath that one, and the A is on here,
And then
and
on
the
the inside
Jordan
of the
sign
tongue,
is on
on the
that.
inside of the tongue too.
Yeah. What do you mean?
I'm a Maniere on that one.
Oh yeah, I showed that. I showed
you
turn
did
it
that?
around.
Okay,
Yeah.
It's all sipping the cocktail.
Yeah, I talked about that part.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oh, there's something I didn't notice that I am noticing now. All of the stitching inside of here, the fabric inside of here, I didn't notice it on this. I just went to look.
I
It's
didn't
all
notice that.
The A's.
The A's. I didn't notice that, yo.
All of the, it's the A. That's the whole fabric on the inside.
Whole
Is
shit
all
of the
A.
whole night.
That's crazy. They left no stone
no
unturned.
Is it,
That's
is it
crazy.
on the side too?
Yeah, it's the
It's the whole
everything inside of here is the.
That's
Well done.
yo, y'all,
Well
yo,
done, sir.
Y'all got a thing going. I'm watching them airships too. I might grab those.
Yeah.
Try and chill.
And I heard those were very well. You have some.
I got some airships. I ain't worn them yet.
Keep in mind. So Ma Maniere also has a store. They have 2 stores. They have two different.
One over in Northeast.
But
You mean in the area?
yeah. So the brand has 2 different stores. Akin to up against the wall had Commander Salamander.
Yeah.
So Ma Maniere is the luxury store version. That's why they have all the high end stuff. You go in there and get Balenciaga and all the
collabs
other stuff.
and stuff.
Right. And then their sneaker boutique version is called APB.
Okay.
They have one. I go to it every time I'm in Tallahassee. They got one right there. They got one in Atlanta, Tallahassee, and Charlotte.
Okay.
But nonetheless, this black is crazy.
Some of the black is it. I don't like. James was like, "Yo, which one you like better, the black?" Now that you got them, because he knew I wanted these. I said the black shits be.
This is something about this black new buck. It's just so black.
It's almost like
It's just so
yeah.
black. Like
Yeah.
like this black, but this is like
This is a deep.
this
deep,
is
deep
like
black.
Malcolm X black. You know what I mean?
This
Like,
give us free black.
this is Amistad black.
Yo, these joints, Amistad black, with a little
Amistad
purple.
black. Like give us free or give us death black. And it has all of the same things that I explained over here with the, the 3M tongue, except on here they went opposite color. They played on the burgundy.
Yeah.
So there's a
the fire, the
Bordeaux.
flame.
Let's go with
Yeah,
that.
there you go.
They went with the Bordeaux that's on the box.
Yeah.
The Bordeaux is right here,
Yeah,
and it's on the back side of the tongue.
They call it Bordeaux.
Is it?
Yeah, they call it Bordeaux.
But again, it's got that. It's got the A's.
All on the interior.
All on the interior. And what's interesting is because the black and we'll go with this sail colored plastic contrast so much, you can really see the interlocking A's for the webbing here that you really couldn't. I mean,
Not
you can
as
see
much.
it here, but not as much as you can here. This black is tough.
On the black is
And
so
then-
nasty, y'all.
So here's the difference.
Woo!
Here's the difference. So on these, the 23 is stitched in and it's raised.
This is debossed.
On these, the 23 are debossed.
Debossed was it? I don't know.
Everything is debossed. for us. It's debossed.
Yo, yeah, different.
Even the plastic thing right here, they've gone. It's almost like they invite you to use the sail
They do.
because that's this color that's sitting on top of it. Because normally the plastic is it's like clear.
I'm sticking with the white.
Gotta stick with the white.
I'm sticking with the white.
Playoff on the white is
Because
just
they put that
crazy.
shit on the sole right there on the bubble. That white Ma Maniere on the sole.
Yeah,
That's just disgusting. Son.
yeah.
Like they just did that on that one and not on this one for no reason. Why did they do that?
These are them. These are them. And then the blacks, the stitching on the black stitching on the back just like pops off,
Pops.
man.
It's like
Because it almost feels like a satin.
shiny.
like
Yeah,
a
yeah.
That sheen.
yeah, it shimmers and shit.
Yo, these are tough.
Little purple triangle right there on the inside.
Yep. Bordeaux,
Blue-
sir.
Bordeaux. Pardon me, Bordeaux. Pardon me, France. My favorite wine, Bordeaux.
The region. Call it the region.
You know what I mean?
These are.
Man.
I am very, very impressed with the black of this. I'm not gonna hold you.
It's almost like you stealth. It's
Yeah.
stealth.
Like
It's
these
selfish.
are really, really black.
Like if this was all one piece, because you got the separation with the stitching.
Yeah.
The stitching is the only thing that lets you know it's not one piece. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? The black is so deep, B.
And the thing about it is, you don't realize how how not black something is
Until
until you
black,
see
black.
something that's like blackety black. You know what I mean?
That's so true, yo. Like,
You're like,
nigga, the
this
shit
shouldn't
you
be-
had was gray. That's not black.
That's not black, right? Like there are shades to
Oh,
black. We know
man.
that whenever you try to match black together.
Yo.
But these are blackety black. I mean, like
I mean, I love these shits.
Amistad
These gray
Marcus
shit's
Garvey
fucking
black.
stupid.
They're dumb.
But these black shits, son. God.
We
And
got,
Joe
we
was
got to
like,
put that there.
golly.
Cheese and crackers, man.
Y'all crushed this collab.
Absolutely. I'm Ma Maniere.
mean,
You did a fantastic
Y'all
job.
have done a
on this.
lot of things. This release right here, disgusting.
Yeah.
And I won both raffles. How does that happen?
I know how it doesn't happen.
Me too.
I can tell you that much.
I was like, so then after telling my wife that I don't win raffles,
Yeah.
there's nothing to be concerned about. I had to come back and be like, yeah, I kind of won all three.
Amara. Not only did I win
How
the
Mario used to
raffle,
do? I kind of won all three.
I got all three.
I got all three.
Yeah.
And she know I'm gonna keep these shits.
Yeah.
I'm not into
No.
selling sneakers. Yeah, man. Very
Yeah.
nice, yo. Very nice.
Yeah.
I'm excited about these. I already got stuff in the workings for these. But, we have time. We have time.
Yeah.
Yes. That's it. Great presentation. The boxes are nice.
The boxes are
You know what I'm
tough.
saying? With the embossed or debossed
Yeah.
A's all over the boxes and all that shit. They did
Yeah,
a great
yeah.
job with all that
They
shit.
did the same thing on the boxes.
Yeah,
yo.
great job, y'all. Great job, y'all. That's where we at.
Very good. Very good. Very good job. Very good job. These are
That's it,
tough, man.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
tough.
that's it.
Those are tough.
That's where we at.
Yeah, man.
First
Good day
five.
today. Good day today.
Yeah, good day,
day,
great
got
day.
some
Look at all
joints
this
out
shit.
here,
This is
man.
crazy. Now we can rock our shit in public in peace.
Absolutely. I can post my pictures.
You know what I'm saying?
Beans.
Beans is like a whole new dog.
It's incredible,
I ain't gonna
man.
tell y'all why.
That's incredible.
Good looking out, man.
Yeah,
I think,
man.
we look, this is the end of the year and whatnot, but listen, we got a lot of sneakers to unbox here. This is enough.
I guess will this year will we do a
If you want to, we can
wrap up of
we
our-
can get back and wrap up and do our top 3 joints of the year. Something
okay
like that.
top 3 joints of the year? I like that.
That's
I'm
cool.
with it. I'm with it. I'll have some other joints before then, so
That might be in the top 3.
so they may make it in. They may make it in. What I got
might
planned
be in
showing
the
up
top
may
3.
make it into the top 3. Man.
Oh shit!
But,
two or three of these. Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows? But yeah, let's get on the books.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? In the next couple of weeks or whatever.
Absolutely,
And
man.
knock that out too. Good.
Yeah, man.
Joy's in the building. It's unboxing. Whiskey and kicks, baby.
Whiskey and kicks.
We out.
My guy.